Hi guys, welcome back to Woodworking Brewer. As I said in my first upload, I'll be doing a review for you on the TITAN TTB598MSW, which is this. It's a 210mm sliding compound miter saw. Now, this comes with a 1500 watt motor, 240 volts, enough power to cut through most woods. It has a maximum cross cut of 310 by 62 millimeters, which would get through most boards looking, I'd say. Yeah, so get you through at least a foot, 1 foot. It also comes with, included, which I found pretty good because a lot of them didn't, it's a 48 tooth TCT blade. So, bonus on that one. That saved you a good 30 quid. It also comes with, and I haven't used them all, we have here the, what do you call them? They're a clamp. There you go. We got there in the end. It's your workpiece clamp. There is also two little extension arms which slide into here, but I don't use those basically because everything's on here and I've got a little jig thing that can sit on for it. With your blade you also get the, I'll have to show you photograph wise, but back here we have the spindle lock that will actually stop the blade from rotating and that for you, so that when you want to change the blade. Comes on a nice aluminium base, so it's lightweight basically. Let's lock that off. So it's nice, lightweight, ideal for if you're out and about working. Nice little sight saw, in fact, as many of the reviews on the Screwfix website said. Ideal first little saw. Talking of Screwfix, this is where this one was purchased from. It cost £89.99, that was including the VAT, and it's a lovely little make. So what I'm going to do, I'll go into a few details with you over the saw itself. Okie doke, so the bore size is a 30mm, so you can change your blades with ease. You get 2 years manufacturer's guarantee with it. They actually do the cutting speed. The load speed is actually 5,000 revs per minute, or RPM. And the overall, it's, if we bring back, you've got height of 500mm. The length is 920. Fully extended, so you're almost at a metre, and a width of 430, so you've got plenty either side for your wood. And like I was saying, with it being nice and lightweight, the overall weight of this is only 14 kilos, so you're not going to break your back. Oh, hang on a second, I think mine's just got, no, you're not going to break your back carrying it from A to B. Right, let's take a bit of a closer look at this. You actually have a locking nut on the end here, just screws down, dead simple, stop it from locking, or if you want to use it as a straightforward miter saw, you can keep it locked in that position and it won't come back. Up the top here, this will actually give you your depth from going down, which I found very handy. As I said in my first upload, the table saw I've got, or about most of the table saws in the UK, you can't actually put stack dado head cutters on, but with this, I'll have to make a little handle. It could have a little windy handle, which will make it a lot easier rather than just one of these simple twist handles. But when cutting, it won't drop it all the way to the bottom. So if you wanted to make dados, it's quite easily come across move your wood, craft, and so on, and it gives you a nice little dado. For operation of up and down, it's two ways with your hands. You have to pull a lever across and power on and down for cutting. Gives you a full 45, your handle round to 0 on the 90 basically, back round 45 the other way. And you also get with this little baby down here, God, I've got it done up tight, you can actually go on, twist down. It should do. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, you can do the compound part of it too. But as you've noticed, this then becomes in the way, so you'd actually have to take out your wood clamp. There is holes the other side for them to fit into, so you can unscrew down and in. That's it. So you can go up to your full compound. It does cut nice and true, nice straight lines. I will do one of those in a second so we can actually see. We'll have everything on the 90 degrees, and I'll show you with one of my squares. And my light's just gone. So here we go. Cut of wood, 90 degrees. Sorry guys, you can't even see that, can you? There. 90 degrees, no light or anything behind it. Lovely cut. Let's do 45 degree angle cut. And as we can see, lovely. 0, board, so there we go, the Titan compound mitre saw. Well worth the money, and it should keep me going for a while. Until next time, YouTubers, I'm in need of a beer again, hence the brewer side. Let's pour a cold one. Later.